If you are looking for a very cool story, you are going to enjoy this one. This is actually one of my kids' favorites book. I love doing the wolf's voice. Eat well, my pretty chicken. I'm talking about the Wolf's Chicken Stew, written and illustrated by Keiko Casa. From the very beginning, you might think you already know what's going to happen, but trust me, you don't. I wish you a beautiful connection through the reading with your favorite people.